Alright, we're back. We got a small update today on the Bomber. I couldn't quite get over these new tires. I hadn't even really run them. They're just so short. I put these on my crawler and I liked them a lot, so I tried to do them here, but they're so short on the Bomber they just drove me crazy. So, booyah. Much better. These are the RC 4-wheel drive Mudslinger 2 XL 2.2s. Nice and soft too, but they're a whole lot taller, and that's just what this thing needed. So I'm gonna go through the trouble of taking all these rims off again and switch these tires out. But boy, good God, this thing's heavy now. As you can see, if I can get my hand out of there, you can see they're a lot taller. You gotta really pick this tire up. Just a more aggressive tread, so we'll see how that works. Alright, well that's it for this update. So please like, please share, and comment. And until next time, bye.